Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to install Windows Store apps from the store. So, to install the store app, go to the first Start menu and then select Store Application, which is this. Click on the Store Application. It will explore the store application. And to install the store application, you need an internet connection. So, this is the interface of store application, in which you can see various type of category of application. First is the spotlight, second is the games, another one is the social, entertainment, photos, music, videos, sports, books, reference, news, weather, health and fitness, food and dining, shopping, travel, finance, productivity, tools, security, business, education, government, etc. So these are the various types of application. Now in each application there can be a paid or free. For example, I want to download. Click on the games and it will take some time to load various games. Now you can see various games which are available in the store are displayed. Now you can also select various categories. For example, action, adventure or kids, music, that type of application. You can also filter that by price. For example, I want to only watch free games, then I can select free. So it will filter the result and display only the free games. Now these all are the free games. So select one of the game which you want to install in your system. There are various and lots of game available on the Windows Store and lots of games that are also free. So I am selecting Chess for All and click on that game. Now this displays Chess for All game. Here snapshot of the chess game is displayed and here you can see 151 are rating for this game and star also given. Now to install this game, click on to this button install. Here is the various property of the games are given, which is download size, age rating, publisher of the game. Now to install this game, click on the install button. Go to the start menu. In start menu you can see Chess for All is displayed and it is displaying installing. So now this game is being installed. To see progress of installation wizard, you can go to the menu. You can click on the game. It will display the progress of game. You can see here Chess for All download progress, which is 23% completed. When this download finish, you can access this application. So wait for the download to be complete. Now you can see your apps were installed. So games is installed. Now let's see and open the game. Click on the Chess for All icon of game. When game is installed, it will display message on upper right corner. So you can see here message is displayed. Now game is showing its various setting. Click on the computer to play the game and enjoy the chess game. So this is about installing the various application from the Windows Store. Thank you.